Okay, family, this is a patch job, but what happened, it was water was coming through the shower. When the bait, so I just put that, fix the towel, go downstairs. Let me show you downstairs. Okay, see what happened? They weren't getting any, the air conditioner, the heater was detached. So I had to buy that at Home Depot, tie it into that, then tie it into the upstairs and retile it. So guys, as I told you, see, water is a very bad thing. It's good for showers and food and everything, but if you don't careful, when you're upstairs, see, all that was eaten out. So I have to patch it, put that, replace it, and there, I mean, it's cold here in Virginia, so they have heat upstairs now. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like my videos.